Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Pesquera Lake at 570 57th Avenue West. This is lot 139. This is an updated 1973 single wide with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. For pricing and more details, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. The carport has plenty of space for 2 vehicles as well as a seating area. At the carport entrance, we will step into the hall and move left to the open kitchen and living space. Nice deep kitchen sink and granite countertops. This home is being offered turnkey with personal items being removed. Beautiful pergo flooring throughout the home. Out to the lanai where the washer and dryer has also been moved for convenience. And back into the hall with the first bedroom to the left currently being used as an office.
and the bathroom with a tiled step-in shower. Into the primary bedroom with built-in dressers and storage, as well as a large closet. We will take another walk through the home and then go outside to see more of the exterior. As a reminder, for pricing and more details, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Large storage shed. Pescara Lake is a 55-plus community with a clubhouse, billiards room, heated swimming pool, shuffleboard, a rec room with a kitchen, organized activities, and more.
Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.